If there's a fire in your home, it can double in size every minute. And dangerous and deadly smoke can fill every room. That's why you need smoke alarms to alert you to the danger and help you get out in time. I'm Captain Ben Tennyson with West Metro Fire Rescue. Firefighters know that smoke alarms save lives, but the alarms need to be in the right place and working properly to make a difference. Install a smoke alarm in every bedroom and outside each sleeping area, like on a hallway. Put alarms on every floor of your home, including the basement. Test your alarms at least once a month. Simply press the test button to make sure the alarm is working. Replace the batteries twice a year and replace the smoke alarm every 10 years. Smoke alarms don't last forever. The electronic system inside loses effectiveness after 10 years and may no longer detect smoke. Find the date your alarm was manufactured by removing the alarm from the ceiling and looking on the date on the back. And remember, if a smoke alarm sounds, get out and stay out. Have an escape plan for your family and practice at least twice a year. Help us keep you safe. For more information on smoke alarms, visit our website at westmetrofire.org.